Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and today I'm sharing the unboxing of Exploring in Color from May 2023. We have a fancy box, and our stamping spot is copper clay, one of the new in colors. And the stamp set, is fabulous. Look at this coffee cup, the compass, the hiking shoe, and our sentiments are cheers to another adventure, happy birthday, life is meant for good friends and great adventures, and it doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. Great sentiments. A little bit of preview of next month, which is Welcome In, which also corresponds with the Countryside Inn suite. And there's an add-on for this month's kit, which is, I believe, card bases. Oh, boho blue paper. Linen thread. Dimensionals. Oh, love these envelopes with the little scene on the front. So cute. Enough for 9 cards. These are great envelopes. All with the new in colors. So we have boho blue, moody mauve, copper clay. Oh, look at these card bases with the scenes. So cute. These will make great masculine cards. Reminds me of Out West. Some great die cut labels with the in colors. More card bases. Some stickers. And more die cuts with labels as well as binoculars and the little compasses. And suggested ways to put them together, as well as some alternate projects. And again, I will be putting together my own alternate projects. So watch for those on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.